Good morning friends, welcome to ABC Deal by Bhanu channel. Today I am Anju Cover of class 5th. I am here to discuss chapter 1, the Pandavas last year in exile. This is a chapter of subject English reader class 5th. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video, we are going to discuss first word meaning of this lesson, second one word answer of this lesson, third question and answer of this lesson. Friends, आज से आपकी इंग्लिश रीडर ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज स्टार्ट हो रही है, जिसमें आपकी इंग्लिश बुक के ऑल चैप्टर्स की एक्सरसाइजेस डिस्कस की जाएंगी। तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारे वीडियोस का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। और फ्रेंड्स, हमारे वीडियोस देखने के बाद उन्हें लाइक करना ना भूलें। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस वर्ड मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लेसन। फर्स्ट, सुपरमेसी. It is a noun which means superiority and control. Second, myths. It is a noun which means stories and fables. Third, legends. It is a noun which means tales. Fourth, exile. It is a noun which means to be sent out of one's native country for a period of time. Fifth, terms. It is a noun which means requirements or conditions laid down or agreed upon, in this case in the game of dice. Sixth, disguise. It is a verb which means to hide one's identity. Let's move on. Seventh, secured. It is a verb which means obtained. Eighth, well-versed. It is an adjective which means to be experienced or skilled in or to be knowledgeable about something. Ninth, scriptures. It is a noun which means the sacred writings of a religion. 10th, assumed. It is a verb which means took on. 11th, guise. It is a noun which means disguise. 12th, aids. It is a noun which means assistance to political leaders. Let's move on. 13, encroached. It is a verb which means slowly entering on another person's territory. 14th, crown prince. It is a noun which means a male heir to the throne. 15th, charioteer. It is a noun which means a person riding a two-wheeled horse-drawn vehicle used in ancient warfare? 16th, flee. It is a verb which means run away. And the last word of word meaning is chariot. It is a noun which means a two-wheeled horse-drawn vehicle used in ancient warfare. Let's move on one word answer. Second, we will discuss one word answer of this lesson. Question number 1. Who lost the game of dice? Answer of this question is Pandavas. Pandavas lost the game of dice. What was the name of Pandavas? Write your answer in the comment box. Question number 2. Who was well versed with the scriptures? Answer of this question is Yudhishthir. Yudhishthir was well versed with the scriptures. Question number 3. Who was the chief maidservant of Queen Sudeshna? Answer of this question is Draupadi. Draupadi was the chief maidservant of the Queen Sudeshna. Question number 4. What was the name of Crown Prince of Virata? Answer of this question is Uttar Kumar. Question number 5. Who single defeated Kaurav army? Answer of this question is Arjun. Arjun single defeated Kaurav's army. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं। Let's move on question and answer. Third, we will discuss question and answer of this lesson. Question number 1. Write the name of Pandavas. Answer of this question is Yudhishthir, Arjun, Bhim, Nakul or Sahadev are the name of the Pandavas. Question number 2. Against whom did the Pandavas rose in the game of dice? Answer of this question is Pandavas lost in the game of dice against their cousin Prince Duryodhan. Question number 3. What were the terms and conditions of the game of dice that the two sets of cousins had played? Answer of this question is the terms and conditions of the game of dice were: first, whoever loses the game have to spend 13 years in exile, included 1 year in disguise. Second, if they were caught during this period, they had to spend another 13 years in exile. Let's move on question number 4. Question number 4. Write one special quality or skill of each of the Pandavas. Answer of this question is special quality or skill of all the Pandavas were: Yudhishthir, he was well versed with the scriptures. Bhim, he was fond of eating. Arjun, he was good in dancing and singing. Nakul, he was an expert in training of horses. And Sahadev, he was good in looking health of cattle. Let's move on question number 5. Question number 5. What did Duryodhan and his aides do to trouble King Virata? Answer of this question is Duryodhan and his aides encroached upon the territory of King Virata's kingdom and stole the cattle belonging to the king. Question number 6. What did Uttar Kumar, the crown prince, do during the battle and why? Answer of this question is, at the battlefield, Uttar Kumar got frightened on facing the huge and powerful Kaurav army and tried to flee in fear. Last question of question and answer is, who saved the day for King Virata's army and how? Answer of this question is, Arjun saved the day for King Virata's army. He single defeated the Kaurav army and brought back the cattle. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more such videos, press bell icon. Friends, English all chapter series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज़ आप हमारे वीडियोस ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारे इंग्लिश ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।